Hi guys, you want assistance? You are working in your boat, solving problems, and you need help? You need technical support? I am ready to work with you. It's simple. You go to my website, www.mrlopezclasses.com. In the slide Assistance Troubleshooting, you make a click and you schedule an appointment with me. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, depend on you. And I can help you to solve real problems like this.
We are going to follow with your finger that cable, and we are going to check where it's connected. Should be bolted on the block of the engine.
It's on the engine block.
Correct. It's in the engine block. We are going to install another black cable from the same negative terminal connected to the new negative bus bar that you bought a couple of minutes ago in West Marine. You put the negative bus bar in the wall in between both batteries. Exactly. And we are going to locate in that wall.
Exactly. We can work together. You install your cameras. I recommend 2 cameras. And I am here in my lab, and we work together, solving the problems. Solving the problems step by step.
Pay attention. You know what is the clip? The clip in the bottom? The clip in the bottom?
The blue?
Exactly. We are going to, in front of the ball, we are going to pass one line from the ball through the body of the distributor. Exactly. Exactly. One line over there. Yeah. Now, go on top, and we are going to remove the plastic cover of the distributor, the cap. You see, you see on top of the distributor that starting in each cable you have the path of the circuit, and it's located in that position, and the other one in the other. You see? You see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to understand that the first one will be number 1, and the second one clockwise should be number 8, and the third one will be number 4. If you follow those paths, yeah.
What topic? The topic that you prefer: air condition, electricity, gas engine, diesel engines, corrosion. The topic that you prefer. I am ready to work with you. You and me together, and we solve the problems. Not only for technical problems. Suppose that you are in your home solving equations. You try to size the capacity of an air conditioning unit times 14, and this is 252 square feet. You remember the equation that we used before? We say that 500 square feet is equivalent to 12,000 BTUs. Oh, okay, 12,000 BTUs. All right. Oh, how much is 252? 252 is 6,000. It's half. It's half. It's approximately 6,000. All right. Right now I have 6,000 BTUs only because the area, because it's 18 times 14. Okay. All right. The total BTUs, we are going to add it here. The total BTUs will be 6,000 BTUs because the area. And in this salon, it's supposed that it's designed for 6 people. Yes, I can help to solve a problem like this, or to solve the problems related with the connections in series, parallels, batteries. Both batteries are equal, 12 volts, 100 amps. The series connection is the negative of the first one should be connected with the positive of the second one. And the output of the series will be between this point and this point. In this particular case, the output voltage will be voltage number 1 plus voltage number 2, 24 volts, because the batteries are 12 volts. Exactly the same. If you need an appointment with me, schedule the appointment, and I can help to you solving the problem that you prefer. You are an instructor, and you want that I participate in your class with your students?
Ask them that question. Yeah, I would ask it, what error codes are you getting?
This is a good question. At what RPMs normally occur? It's in idle or in, this is a good question.
High speed, low speed.
Correct, high speed, low
What's
speed.
your coolant temperature?
Correct, what is the coolant temperature when the engine stops normally? This is other excellent question. And oil pressure also.
So,
The last
on
time you
your-
changed the air filter, maybe there's like
Correct.
air coming in.
Exactly. You changed the oil 2 months ago. Yeah.
So what was the answer on the temperature?
Okay, it's exactly the same. You schedule an appointment with me, and I will be part of your class. And you want that I talk for 1 hour, 2 hours about one specific topic? I am happy. I am happy to be part of your class. Please schedule the appointment. I will be part of your class, and I can help to you. I enjoy. This is my life. This is my passion. Go to my website www.mrlopezclasses.com and book your appointment.